Alright, so I got some new updates on the hurricane slash tropical storm. I'm at the old house. I probably remember this from like last year and stuff. It got a desk, which is actually pretty nice. Plus, it got like this bottom thing right here that can hold my mouse, so it's pretty good. But let's just go to here. Let me just open up storm prediction center for today. So right here, slight risk New York, Philadelphia, and Maryland, Washington D.C., and Minneapolis. Also North Carolina, Virginia Beach, Norfolk, and some of Florida. Cause y'all supposed to be having the hurricane like tonight or whatever. Then we have this up here. So tornado chances. Tornado chances are in Cape Coral, Florida. Cape Coral, Florida. Bloomington, Maryland. Plymouth, Montana. Oh, that says Montana, my bad. Brooklyn Park, Montana, and Eden, Eden, Eden Prairie, Montana. Wind chances. Also, in the same places, hail chances. Yeah, I have a significant chance for St. Cloud, Minnesota, Watertown, South Dakota, Wilmore, Minnesota, Fergus Falls, Minnesota, Buffalo, Minnesota. And also in the same parts in the hell. Okay, that's the same thing. For tomorrow, kind of the same thing. Jacksonville, Florida, Minneapolis, Minnesota, uh, Tampa, Florida, St. Paul, Minnesota, and St. Petersburg, Florida. Tornado, Florida. Wind, Minnesota. Hail, Minnesota. Now, National Hurricane Center is still Tropical Depression 4 because it hasn't fully formed. Once it forms, and it's going to form around maybe right here in between this. So it's probably going to form later tonight around the evening. Wind speed probabilities for tropical storm force winds. Y'all have a 60% for 50 knot wind speeds, which is 58 miles an hour. Y'all have a 5% in Florida, but the top is 20%. Hurricane wind speed probability, none. I don't know why. It said it's supposed to be a hurricane, because if we go back to here, it says, well, the other thing that I don't know what's going on now. Rainfall potential. Georgia and South Carolina. Y'all are most likely going to get at least a foot of rain. A foot. Definitely Charleston and Savannah. Now me, I'm up here. Oh, you can't really see that much, but I'm getting like about 1 to 4 inches. Arrival time winds. Florida. Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. in Georgia. And going all through here. Flash flooding potential. Charleston, Savannah, and Jacksonville. Y'all have a 40%. Alright. Surge. Up to 5 feet of storm surge. Warnings. This is, yeah. Storm surge warning. I don't even think there's any. Okay, there's some. Alright. Alright, so the GFS did update to 12Z. So what it's saying now, like, it's saying Florida hurricane right here. And then going through Georgia as a possible weak hurricane, cat like low in cat 1. Keep going, stall for like a few days, which is gonna bring y'all a lot of rainfall, and then come up here as a tropical storm. The Euro. Now the Euro hasn't fully updated yet, so it's showing right here. So I gotta wait for the 12Z one. This one's saying it was 0Z, so this one's still saying about the storm doing that. The icon, it's saying that it is going to be a hurricane and passing right by us with about, I'll say 60, maybe 70 something miles an hour. Now I can't look at the actual one, but if we look at this one, you can see how much rain we are getting. That's all right here. I am right here, literally on the edge. And I believe the eye is here, and then the rest of the eyeball is like right here. Now, I don't know what's wrong with, what is going on? Okay. Another one. Let's go to here. This one's also showing it. This one's showing it being on land. Now, I'm gonna go back a little bit. This one's showing it being on land and strengthening up down here for some reason. CMC. This one's showing it being on land, scattered up too. This one's so scattered. But still hitting us as a tropical storm. So if we go through here, the winds are 50 knots. No. I keep spelling it wrong. KT2NPH. So that's 57 miles an hour. Tropical storm. Maybe 60, because we still got this part. So this is going to be scattered. So this part right here is about 58. 58 KT. It's 66. Close to a hurricane. Hurricane. Let's go to GFS. 4OL. So as you can see, this is the 60. The latest that this one can go. Stalling around Georgia, North Carolina, strafing up. That is 80 knots, which is a Cat 2, I believe. And as we go up, North Carolina is supposed to be passing us. Still giving us rain and wind, as you can see. But it said it's supposed to be weak. Which earlier was saying something different. Real quick. I don't know if this is still going to show us anything. But it is saying on those days. It's not saying any like hurricane or watching the tropics. But it is saying rain. It is saying that. So the tropical depression ensembles is all right here. And also, as we go more, every single one is showing it. Just zooming back, even this one's like right here is showing it. Like most of them are right here, by the coast, right here. Intensity guy, it's now just saying it's supposed to be a Cat 1, or just a tropical storm the whole time. Some of them is just keeping it at a tropical depression. This one too. This one's showing Regulus as a tropical storm, or right below us as something different. This is Still saying showers, just like it did before. Not saying anything else. It's crazy though, how it's supposed to be 79 degrees in August. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully, it, I don't know. Hopefully, everybody will be okay. And hopefully, it doesn't do anything too bad. Because if it does, that means it's going to be a lot of damage. And if it doesn't, if it does hit us as a hurricane up here, that's going to be my first time seeing an actual hurricane. I've seen tropical storms. Like Isaias, Faye, and other kind of stuff. I was trying to record Isaias, but I had an iPhone SE. And that thing only had 32 GB of storage. I only recorded for 5 minutes. And my iPhone storage was full. I couldn't record anything. But I'll see you on the next video. Peace.